Hello! Today we are going to be building a racetrack out of tape. That's it. With this, you can do so many different things. You can make turns, you can make curves, you can make straight lines, you can make shapes for your cars to go around. I've got a few cars. I've got my tape. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start it so you guys can see it. I'm going to start it here. I'm actually going to, yep. And what I'm going to do is create a path for my cars to go down. Whoop, I didn't make that piece long enough. There we go. Then it's going to make a turn. I'm going to have it come over here. Turn like this. And turn here. I'm going to come towards the camera. Let me back it up so you guys can see it. Oh, I made that kind of weird. Missed a little piece right here. And if you let's see, come right a straight turn or a 90-degree turn over here. Here we go. First, I need a piece of tape here, and then here. There we go. I'm going to turn this one more time and have it meet up with my other side over here. So, and then I'll show you what my racetrack looks like when it's done. Here we go. Track is almost done. I'll show you how I'm going to race it. You guys here, I'll show you what it looks like so far. You can see that it goes all around here. It's got different angles at it. I'm going to bring my track all the way to here. Add a little piece here to make it so there's space for my car to go in between, and a little piece here. There we go. And then I'm going to connect that end to end. Let's see what it looks like. So let's back this up a little. And if you see, move my tape, if you can see, I can go all the way around my track, here and down and back up and around, and I made a really cool, let's see, if we start there, then we go around, and here, and around, back up and over, and there you are at the start again. So that's my track. I'll play with it. I've got a few cars, and I've got some nieces and nephews that would maybe like to play with this. So maybe I'll leave it up for a while and see what they think. I wonder what you guys could come up with. I'd love to see what kinds of tracks and what kinds of materials. Maybe you guys could add some designs to the tape. You could use some markers and color it first, and color some tape pieces before you put them down. That'd be pretty cool. I wonder what you guys can come up with. I'd love to see it. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.